Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I've been making hundreds of thousands of dollars in meme coins without trading a single chart all day. I stopped trying to trade meme coins and lose money every single time, and I started deving and launching my own coins instead. That change alone has produced me way more profits for me than usual, and for some people, deving might work even better than trading. That's exactly why I am making this video, bro. Let's dive right into it. Basically $9 million in this phantom wallet, not from luck and not from trading bottoms. This came from creating meme coins strategically on Pump.Fun. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to do it with this blueprint. Let's fucking go. Now most people don't lose money in this market because they don't understand anything. They lose because they only try to trade them and not dev. For example, they buy in a coin hoping for the coin to pump, but after a couple minutes, bro, bang, the dev dumps on them and they lose their entire position to the creator of these coins. That's why a bunch of high-level traders and people like RNG and Cupsy are moving away from trading and focusing on launching, for example, because every single time you buy a coin and you trade one, well, you are benefiting the creator and not yourself. So the bottom of the line is that these devs are making way too much money, bro. We have to become them ourselves, okay? Now it's low risk and high upside, and honestly, bro, in launching meme coins is way more exciting because, bro, you have full control over your coin, bro. You can do whatever the fuck you want. The process of launching a coin is simple. All we're doing is finding a narrative, launching it using a tool, right? And then after a couple minutes, when the market cap is really high, we just, cash out, and then we can rinse and repeat that method. And this method has allowed me to make over hundreds of thousands of dollars. I make around 1k to 3k a day personally. Even though Solana is really down, I'm still able to make this. And honestly, bro, in 2026, launching has become the new meta. That's exactly why in today's video, bro, I would do a full on tutorial for you guys. Keep watching. And by the way, bro, just to make things clear, this video was purely made for educational purposes only. Please do not copy me. I am not a financial advisor. Now, when someone decides they're ready to launch a first meme coin, most people go and look at Pump.Fun, bro. If I had to say, I would say 98% of all devs are launching through Pump.Fun. Yes, it has high volume, but I would not recommend to launch on meme coin directly. Why? Because Pump.Fun is heavily saturated. Tokens are launched non-stop and most of them lose traction almost instantly. If you are still launching here, bro, you are not really building anything sustainable. You are just chasing luck. And there's an even bigger issue. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a share of your creator fees. You can fact check that on ChatGPT or whatever the fuck you want, bro. But yeah, so from the very beginning, you don't actually own your coins. Now, as a dev, the real actual objective is to get your token in front of the Radium DEX in the migrate section, because here is where people are waiting to buy your coin. Now, you can reach that point on Pump.Fun, but that will require you a $55,000 market cap. So I have a better method, bro. If you launch your meme coins directly using create meme.io on chain, bro, well, every single coin that is launched through create meme.io will be immediately migrated to Radium and shown to all the people right now. And that's exactly why a bunch of devs are actually gatekeeping create meme.io, because, bro, you are skipping the entire bonding curve and you're going directly to Radium, skipping the line and shown to a bunch of liquidity. That's why I launch here. Now, to make an actual coin on create meme, bro, it's really simple. You could either create a coin. So for example, I would go on X, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, right? And I would look for a viral meme to potentially turn into a coin, right? Anything works, a viral tweet, some type of political news, or for example, the big TikTok meme that went viral recently is Penguin, and that coin turned into a $150 million runner. That is the good narrative. You would come back here and then create your project by inventing a name, symbol, and then logo, and then it would be created. But the second method is what I use on a day-to-day basis, and that is the copy trending coins tab. But most people in my community like to call this method vamping. It's the same exact thing. Basically, all these coins have a good narrative, and they're all getting a bunch of attention and traction on Pump.Fun right now as we speak. And the method here is to copy a coin to Radium, right? And then it will be shown to a bunch of people, which could lead into surpassing the coin that you copied, or you can just make a quick soar or two by copying coins non-stop. That's what I do personally, bro, to build up my portfolio. But now it's time for the part that most people were waiting for, and that is actually deploying a token and seeing how much we can make. So let's go. Now, first of all, bro, just make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? Because we will be transactioning with the site to get our tokens and shit. So first of all, make sure you refresh and then look for the best coin to copy, bro. Honestly, there is no best coin, just choose one and copy it, try it out, right? I'm gonna copy the Radium coin, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be vamped officially, right? Just wait. And then boom. If I go on scan first of all, okay, just to make sure it's minted, you guys can see that it's live on chain. 10 seconds ago, it's minted, it's live, and it's public. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool for our coin. Now this page is where we make our Radium liquidity pool, and then people will be able to buy it in the migrate section, okay? This is what makes everything special. Now for the amount of mini coins, right, well, that is where you put how many coins you want in the supply. I would highly recommend to put anywhere, I would just recommend to click on 90%, right? That would drop whatever that is, right? 90% of the tokens for the public, right under for the amount of Solana to pair. This is the first transaction, the first buy into your own coin. Now since you are the fucking dev, right, well, you will have the opportunity to buy first before everyone else, and that's how you are going to make money from one of two ways. The second way is from the creator fees, and it will all show up in the profits. You guys will see later, okay? Now here I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to whatever the fuck you want. I will put 0.3, so 0.32, nah, 0.3 so, and you will get this back later once you remove the liquidity. You guys will see, okay? Don't worry about it, right? Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom to pop up, and once again, wait, why is it so slow? What? And then ignore the block, obviously, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, and then you should be able to scroll down, and boom, the mini coin is now live, and your PNL is obviously, like I said, going to be right here. And if you click on the refresh button up right here, well, your profits is going to refresh, and you could either go up or stay even. And as you guys can see, okay, we got $140 worth of buys. It could be multiple, one person, okay, but yeah, that's why I copy coins, bro. The results speak for themselves, obviously, bro, for educational purposes only. Anyways, go on your chart, right? Click on Photon or Axum or Nova, it's up to you. Let me go in full screen real quick to see the coin better, and then the coin will load popping in. And as you guys can see, bro, we are getting transactions right off the bat. If I had to guess, I think we're up like around, 300, 200 with a 1.7k market cap. Things are looking good, okay? We are looking for a pump real quick. Come on, bro, the more transactions the better, because we are making a piece of every single transaction. $60, $30, yes, bro, I love doing this. Let's go, bro. I would highly recommend everyone to start living, bro. Like, look at this, bro, we're getting a bunch of buyers right off the bat. Let's fucking go, bro. Oh my god, I love diving. We made this coin with literally $0, and now a bunch of people are transactioning with our token, bro. $80, $60. Oh my god, guys, copying coins is a cheat code with Radium, with create meme.io. It's actually insane, bro. Like, vamping is actually a really good thing, and the truth is that, bro, most people are not even diving, they're trading, bro. You guys have to take advantage of this in 2026, whether it's with create meme.io, with Pump.Fun, with anything. Just start diving right now, okay? Come on, pump. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and when I come back we will see how much we're up, okay, and then cash out. I will show you guys how to do it, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. Be right back in like 10 seconds. Alright guys, I am officially back after my little break, but as you guys can see, bro, we are at a 6k market cap. The chart is looking kinda healthy, 2k liquidity, things are looking good, bro. Now it's time to cash out officially. Come back to create meme.io real quick, bro, and after that, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 1.8 to $2,000 in profits, bro. That's actually kind of insane for this video. But anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, bro. We're doing 100% to remove all our profits, right? Click on remove liquidity, then just be patient. It should take a couple seconds. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 22.5 SOL. Click on confirm, and boom, bro, that's exactly how you do it, bro. Now look, wait. If I open my Phantom wallet, bang, bro, we received the Solana, right? It's instant in your Phantom wallet because it was a transaction directly from Phantom to your wallet. Now as you guys can see, guys, you guys have to be consistent to build up that port, okay? This game is all about consistency, and yes, it's still really lucrative. While I'm speaking, deving is still a $1 million industry, bro. Now obviously, bro, you can do whatever the fuck you want with this information. It's all for educational purposes only, but create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, or you can just go on Google and type in create meme.io, bro. It's up to you. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, join my Discord and Telegram for more info on the giveaway. Good luck to everyone.